Only about 3% of the rain soaks into the ground. When water soaks into the ground, it fills the empty spaces between soil particles. The water may remain as soil moisture, evaporate back into the atmosphere, be taken up into the roots of plants, or trickle slowly through the soil. The solid part of the earth is called the geosphere. Below the Earth's surface, layers of spongy soil, sand, and rock act as filters to help clean the water. If the water is badly polluted or contains certain contaminants, the soil can't remove all of those pollutants. In some cases, water moving through the geosphere can even pick up pollutants already present in the soil. Eventually, the water reaches a layer where all the spaces in the soil or rock are already filled up. This area is called the saturated zone, and the water it holds, this is over half the fresh water on Earth, the water it holds is called groundwater. The boundary between the spongy layer and the saturated zone is known as the water table. The water table rises or falls as the amount of groundwater in the saturated zone increases or decreases. Areas of underground rock that hold water in pores or crevices are called aquifers. Places where water soaks into aquifers are called recharge areas. Some streams lose water to the soil or rock around them, helping recharge aquifers. To use the water in aquifers, people dig wells to bring it to the surface, such as this well near San Antonio. Unfortunately, digging a well and pumping out too much groundwater can lower the water table and cause lakes, streams, and wetlands to dry up. Sometimes the Earth's surface can sink or even collapse when we pump out too much groundwater. In most places, groundwater moves so slowly that aquifers can take thousands of years to fill back up. In the Texas Hill Country, however, the rate of flow can be much faster and in some places can be measured in miles per hour. Streams also receive groundwater, with the most visible examples called springs. Pictured here is Krause Springs near Spicewood in the Texas Hill Country. Lands near springs have long been inhabited by people due to the ready availability of a constant supply of fresh water.